Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. So here is Green Terror's white guitar, and I have a mesh over it, as you can kind of see. Now the whole idea of doing this guitar was basically for a tribute, because it is his friend that passed away, and he wanted me to design something, make something with his ideas, and come up with something that is going to look cool and be a tribute to his friend. So I have this mesh. It's wrapped around the whole guitar. Okay, so the whole idea is for this guitar to be painted white, and put this mesh on it. And what I want to do is hold a spray can of glow-in-the-dark paint on an angle, and have it spray on an angle going this way. Okay, so it'll highlight all of the ends on one side and kind of fade into white, but the paint is supposed to be transparent, so you don't see it when the lights are on, but when the lights are off or under a black light, it'll give you a glowing effect of blue. All right, so I picked this stuff up, and it's supposed to work really good. It's transparent, and yeah, it's not supposed to leave like a blue film or anything on the guitar, but it glows in the dark. That's if this stuff works. Yeah, as you can see, I'm holding it at the camera and nothing is coming out. So I modified the tip a little bit, cutting it down, thinking maybe, well, it's not going down far enough. So I got one spray out of this, and usually what I do is every can that I shake up, mix the paint and shake up, is I'll give it one spray or a couple of sprays just to test the nozzle and make sure the nozzle is working correctly and not spitting paint or anything else. I had one test spray out of this, and that was it. So what I ended up doing is I popped the tip off, changed it to another tip. It's not the tip or the spray cap that is causing the problem. It's the mechanism inside of here. If I take and I apply pressure to this, really hard pressure, get this to focus better, get this to apply some pressure really hard on it, it'll actually come out. The paint will come out. But it comes out around the edges of this tip, not the center of the tip. This stuff is crap. You can pick it up on Amazon, and I ended up ordering it through Amazon. It's got like some very mixed reviews, but very low ratings as far as how good this shit is. As far as when it works great. It comes out the way you want it and everything else, and there's no problems if you can get the can to spray correctly. So I'm on hold with this for a while until I find something else that I can use. I had a couple of other products that were pump sprays, and they didn't quite give me the effect that I was looking for, like an aerosol would. So I'm back to the drawing board with this. It's all wrapped. Now, the back of it, because I wrapped it like this, and it looks like a mess, right? The back will be sprayed separate. Kind of like what I do with the lace and stuff. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I just have to figure this out with this. If you guys have any ideas, I can't use anything that is for a spray gun. I need a spray can, no powder pigments, no brush-on paints or anything else like that. I need a spray can. All right, guys, take it easy. Have a good idea, or have a good week, sorry.